Hi, my name is Yehung Chen. I'm with the University of California, San Francisco, Global Health Sciences. In this video, I will be showing you how to obtain univariate estimates from time-location sampling data, or TLS data. This video is part of a series on analyzing behavioral surveillance data from surveys that use time-location sampling, or respondent-driven sampling. Univariate estimation is the estimation of the percent of people in the target population who belong to a group of interest. We'll be using the same dataset example we used in our last video to estimate the prevalence of HIV in our target population of men who have sex with men. You'll need to have an individual level data set with the weights already merged in. Before you begin, you want to be sure you've already cleaned the data. For example, you want to make sure you've already categorized or recategorized variables you want redefined. In addition, you want to make sure that all missing values are properly coded as missing values. Okay, let's start by taking a quick look at the data, an individual level data set with the weights already merged in. Type Browse. On the far left, we have variables related to the sampling design, venue, and event. These variables tell us the venues and events at which the individuals were sampled from. The outcome variable of interest that we want to look at in this example is HIV. That variable is called HIV RSLT. Finally, on the far right, we have a weights variable, which we defined in our last video. Okay, let's close the browse window. Before we continue, let's make sure our outcome variable, in this case HIV, has all of its missing values coded properly. Type tabulate HIV RSLT, comma, missing. In this data output, you see that missing values do show up as missing values, which is what you do want for this example. Keep in mind that the percents you see in this output only describe the sample, so they cannot be used to make inference about the population. Okay, you'll first need to specify the sampling design by using the survey set command. The survey set command only needs to be entered once after you load the data, but if you reload the data, you'll need to retype the command. So type survey set, and then the name of your first sampling unit, which in this example is called venue, and then specify your sampling weights by typing a bracket, iWeight equals, and then the name of your weights variable, which in this example is simply weights, and then close your bracket. In this data output here, we see that there's no indication of errors, and that Stata recognizes a primary sampling unit called venue, which is correct. Now we're ready to obtain our univariate estimates. Type survey tabulate, and then the name of our outcome variable, HIV, which is called HIV RSLT, and then comma CI for confidence intervals. This data output here shows under the row POS, or positive, the estimated percent of people in the target population who are HIV positive. In other words, we would estimate that the prevalence of HIV in our target population of men who have sex with men is 19.5%. The confidence interval is 8.3% to 39.2%. Notice that the output also shows an estimate for the percent of people in the population who are HIV negative, and that's 80.6%. Finally, note that the output does not show estimates for the percent of people who are missing their HIV test results. And that, in this example, is what we do want. That concludes the lesson on how to obtain univariate estimates from TLS data. The next video will describe how to obtain stratified estimates from TLS data. Thanks for watching.